2% as a decimal. Look, percent means 1 over 100. So 2% means 2 times 1 over 100, that is 2 over 100. To divide, now you need to divide 2 by 100. Look, 10, 100,000, these are called power of 10. So to divide a whole number by power of 10, what will happen? Just count the number of zeros, two zeros. So decimal point will move two places from right to left. Since 2 is a whole number, so we have to consider decimal point here. So 1 plus 0, 2 plus. This is placeholder 0. So we are getting, look, decimal 02, and this is the answer. You can add here another 0 to mean that this is less than 1.